What's going on, everybody? I'm opening 2018 Trinity, Leaf Trinity. I want one of these two cards. I'm going to go ahead and put that out into the universe because these are just absolutely sick looking cards. I have been doing a series of opening Leaf hobby boxes because that's something new and different that I haven't done before. Hopefully you've enjoyed that. Although I'm not done, I'm still waiting on one box and thinking of ordering another. But for now, oh, I forgot. I'm having to pull these and hide them from myself and from you, so we can do this sneaky deaky. Okay, 5 cards, one at a time. Here we go. This one's actually really thick. It is a Quentin Flowers on card. Really, it doesn't hardly look like material. Authentic player worn patch. That's funny, you're going to deliver this big patch and autograph and it's not numbered. That's funny. And it's a good looking card. Huh. Okay. Alright. And next is a thinner holder. It is Nick Chubb clear. Oh, that's sweet. Pull this up a little bit. I don't know if that helps. There you go. Nice. A little Nick Chubb action. That's good. Not numbered, but whatever, on card. Sweet. Alright, number 3. Yes, Minka Fitzpatrick clear auto. Man, I loved me some Minka. He is sorely missed. Sorely. Good rookie. Yes. Wow. I had a feeling this was going to be the best box, and it looks like it's shaping up to be. Alright, number 4 is Braxton Berrios. Another clear on-card auto. And decent. I mean, we don't know what he'll end up doing, but not bad. Alright, one more. Give me somebody good. This one, no, it's not thick either. It is, oh, Rashad Penny. Inscription, Go Seahawks, 17 out of 25. That is a sweet card too. Wow, alright. You know what, Trinity? I'm going to give you some props. This has been a really good box. I really love these. I love it. I mean, just adding that little something extra there. And I like this colored parallel too. Alright, so the Berrios, the Minka, Nick Chubb, very sweet. Quentin Flowers, crazy patch. And Rashad Penny. Nice box. I'll take it. Alright, like I said, I have the Valiant still to come, and I'm doing some research or hoping that one of you guys will comment. I want to get the Leaf, I think Leaf Metal Draft Football. I'm not sure that exists. I'm trying to find it. The football autographs that have the state pride. I remember seeing Packer cards open those, and he pulled like a Fumagalli, which was from his home state. But I got to figure out which one it is. But since I'm sitting here making the video, I can't exactly do that. So I'll probably get that. And the Valiant, like I said, is already on the way. So there'll be a little bit more Leaf to come. If you want to see that, watch for those videos to be posted. Everybody take care of yourself. And I'll be back soon.